Today, actually, we are hosting the SOFTIQ strategic partner, business partner from Iceland, Svavar. Yeah, we're really happy to have you here. So at least you could experience 2 sunny days in Poland and have a much better weather than in Iceland, I believe.
Yeah, maybe so.
Okay.
Thank you very much for the invitation. I'm really happy to be here. My name is Svavar. I'm the CEO of Imperio and the owner. And Imperio is an IT sourcing company. So what we do actually is that we source project and we try to get the best of the best developers and every consultant and high-level IT experts. And luckily we managed to get into cooperation with you, with SOFTIQ. So we are not focusing on only just one sector as such, so we are all over, so to say. So we are much into public tendering and we source every project that needs our expertise. And that have been done for 4 years now, and cooperating here with you most of the time. Very, very happy to be able to say that. So this is the opportunity that we use now to meet and review what we have been doing and build upon that. And this is a strategic thing that we do regularly.
Yes.
To assess that and plan for the future.
Yeah, absolutely. Just to be better and better. Yeah.
Exactly.
So,
Exactly.
In this world we are providing for Icelandic customers. Yeah. This the important thing that you said about industries. There are another limitation. That we always try to choose the best fit for the client's needs. Yeah.
Exactly.
And this is what we do. The cooperation is going really well. Yeah. So we know the Imperio. So maybe Andrzej, you can say a few words about us, because it's a perfect link between us. So why is it such a perfect link?
Okay, SOFTIQ, my name is Andrzej Plachta, I'm VP of SOFTIQ. And yes, we have started our cooperation 4 years ago, and that was the trial of running up company abroad, and Iceland was not so obvious direction. Yes, we are very successful on public market in Poland. Yes, and we try to move and use our experience international. And yes, we met Svavar. It was via the source was LinkedIn. And yes, I think that we very quick find the right way. We had a good communication, and that was the reason that now we are so successful, yes, in Iceland. And I think that we have very similar values, very similar the way that we do business, and we build the trust, and that's the base of our good cooperation. Yes.
Yeah, that is actually the key for success, I think. And we managed to build it upon it right away, because we started communication. And actually, what I was looking for in the beginning was a special technology that I needed for one of my biggest clients, the city of Reykjavik. And we have been working with them ever since the beginning, I think. Yeah. And all up to big teams of 10 to 12 people or something like that. And we were very lucky that we took the time actually to talk together and communicate I have to express the values of Imperio, the vision and the business ethics, and everything matched from the beginning.
Yeah.
So we have never had any conflicts around that. Yeah. We always knew, okay, and then we can talk openly about if something happens. It tends to happen. Occasionally something happens, and we were able to fix it right away. Yeah, because we are in together. Yes.
Yeah. What I loved generally, and I wish everyone to start partnership this way, especially when you go internationally, because you provided the workshops for guys explaining the work culture in Iceland, how they should communicate, what is crucial, what is important. So you really prepared the team to start working in the project, and I think this is something which is unique, and really needed especially when you go to a new country. Yes.
Exactly. And what was at the beginning, of course, SOFTIQ is a company now hiring more than 350 specialists. But I think it's not most important our potential, our size. We started our cooperation with this workshop, yes. Workshop about the culture of Iceland, about how you do business, how you communicate.
Yes, it was a huge success to do it this way.
If you think about values that our cooperation can bring to Icelandic clients, because I think this is always the question: why Imperio? Why Imperio SOFTIQ?
Of course, yeah.
Yeah. So what are the values and the good things that our cooperation can bring to Icelandic market?
The values I'm looking for my clients is reliability and high quality of work and business ethics. This is the most important thing. I try to calculate also some kind of a ratio. So I was looking for like very reliable partner that I can trust and from the beginning and build up on that trust. And also, of course, the commercial rates are very appealing. So we can offer high quality with reasonable rates as well. So this is something that is in high demand in Iceland and probably in other countries as well.
Yeah.
So, and this has shown to be the reality when we have looked back and reviewed also the delivery that we have delivered together. So the end client is really satisfied with the results of the code and of how we work and how we resolve issues and so on.
Yes, and I think that we build the ideal model for such cooperation. Yes, you are on site, you know the requirements of the client, you know the law, especially in the area of public tenders in Iceland. Is not the same as in Poland. We know it, and we try to follow your maybe instruction, your direction.
Yes.
And I agree that the quality is, I think, in our cooperation the most important, not the size, yes, of the business. Iceland is not a big country, yes, but you have the same processes as we have in Poland, UK or Germany, and that's the small country, but very modern in our opinion, and open for the supplier outside Iceland.
Yeah, the market is really open for it because also they need it. They need the qualities, they need the strengths and the resources. Yeah. But also what was and has been really crucial to the quality and success of our clients is that Imperio is on site, like you said.
Absolutely.
So they know it's a kind of a feeling of a trust. So you know, okay, if something happens, there is someone that speaks my language and is on site, and we can reach out to him whenever.
Maybe what we could add to this, we changed SOFTIQ toward our cooperation. Yes, because in Iceland the most common language there is the maybe language technology is Microsoft technology, .NET, and that was the one of most important reasons that we incorporated the company focus on .NET technology. Yes,
yeah, exactly.
And they were engaged before in Icelandic projects, and that was the base of the decision to buy this company and to follow your requirements. Yes.
Yeah, that also shows this trust and you being in Iceland and showing us the trends. It's very important. Yeah, because now we are considering different options. So we say maybe it's a good idea to hire more guys in different area because we know it's a trend. There will be something upcoming for many years. So it is really good that we listen each other. You tell us what is the trend and what are the things upcoming, what is worth to invest, and we listen. Because this is the trust. This is the level of trust.
Yeah, exactly. And elaborating a little bit on that is also the requirements and demand in the market in Iceland. one of the trends in Iceland is time to market. So, or the challenges, if you like. So, time is very crucial, and we have been able to provide resources and expertise, like in just a couple of days. In some instances, we started in one big project in just in 2 days. But this is the extreme, of course, but really good to have on the CV that we have together. And also the team composition has been also, it's really important because this is remote.
Yes.
And we have been able to fill with the best roles and the best fit, because we are working together as a team. And also a good project management skills is really important, and we check up on the quality and everything. So this is all, the end result for the client is the best possible.
Yeah.
I think yes, we have good connection or communication virtually, but from time to time we visit ourselves just to improve, maybe to optimize our cooperation. Yes. And for example, today we discuss how to use AI in our project. Yes, it's important because it's the Icelandic market. It's very competitive. Yes, it's not big, but it's very competitive, and we try to find out how to improve our offer to maybe win more projects in the future.
Yes. We are always listening to what the client needs, and now actually today we are responding to one of the needs that we identified. Yeah. So very good. Yeah. Happy with that.
Yeah, and this even what we said yesterday, you know, just being a great friends. Yeah. So this is something that plays a crucial role, I think, in a business. Yeah. You can do a lot of projects together, but you need to like each other. You know, we like each other, and I think this also makes the cooperation even more successful.
Yeah,
yes.
Exactly. That's the same inside SOFTIQ. That in SOFTIQ we are friends. Yes. We try to not only to work, but to spend time, free time to make common hobbies, etc. And I think that the same was the last 4 years that we met each other. So we were in UK, achieving new clients, new markets. It was really nice to
have
see you, and you can tell them, our potential clients, for example in UK, that how it works in Iceland. Yes, it's really big value for us.
This is the support that we always give to each other.
This is the investment. Also, we can look at it that way as well.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, so thank you very much, Svavar, for having you here.
Thanks for having me.
Okay. Yeah, done.
Cut.